Hi, my name is Stephanie. I am a ranger here at Kenilworth Aquatic Gardens.
What pollinators can you find in DC?
There are lots of different bee populations in the DC area, whether that be the sweet bumblebees that we have here. You'll also find carpenter bees here, digging bees, you'll find sweat bees. We have a lot of different kinds of bees here. We also have butterflies, moths, but also pollinators that you might not think of, like wasps and lady beetles and flies. We have all different kinds of pollinators here.
How do pollinators interact with the environment?
Plants and pollinators have a mutualistic or symbiotic relationship where they help each other. The pollinators get nectar from the flowers, and then for the plants, the pollinators will go from plant to plant, from flower to flower, spreading their pollen around, helping them to reproduce and to increase genetic diversity.
Why are pollinators important?
Pollinators are essential to many ecosystems' function, to plant life thriving, and therefore lots of animal life, aquatic life thriving here at Kenilworth Aquatic Gardens. So without pollinators, they're a key part of the ecosystem. We wouldn't have these beautiful natural places that we have here like Kenilworth Aquatic Gardens and the marshes that we have here as well. Pollinators are really important for many ecosystems to thrive and also for our food system to exist. Without pollinators like bees, wasps, flies, butterflies, we wouldn't have a lot of the gorgeous plants that we love and that help support so many of the habitats that we hold dear, and also a lot of the food that we love to eat. So without the pollinators, we really wouldn't be here, and neither would the plants that we value.
What is the National Park Service's role in protecting our parks?
The National Park Service is here to protect many different things: historic places, natural places, and all different kinds of ecosystems and members of ecosystems.
What can you do at home for pollinators?
You can plant pollinator supporting plants where you live, whether that be different types of flowers that are native to the area that you have, or just planting little flowers on your porch. Anything to help to support pollinator populations in your area. And remember, if you see a bee flying around, it doesn't want to hurt you, it just wants to exist. So if you just leave it alone, you'll prevent a bee sting and you'll keep pollinators healthy and happy and keep those communities alive.